and welcome to the train ride to Prague. We've been on this for about 2 or so hours, and there's probably another 3 or 4 hours to go. We've seen some great German countryside. We're passing by a river right now, and we're not quite sure where this all is on the map, but it's been a good ride so far. Today we went to the BMW museum. I felt a bit pretentious at the place, but it was pretty cool. And now we're just heading out to Prague. Should be a good time ahead. Do you have anything, Kurtz?
No, I'm just filming the beautiful countryside.
We think that a lot of Germany is set up a lot like this because a lot of their towns like Berlin, Munich, and Frankfurt are only a couple million people, and there's 82 million total in Germany, so we think the vast majority of people live in little towns and villages like this all over the place.
I'm gonna get up
Kind of interesting. Different from the States for sure. Is that Hansel and Gretel over there?
You can see a lot of the homes that they build are white for some reason. White with like a brownish, orangish roof and wooden doors and window frames. Gorgeous stuff. How well this camera's picking up what we see in the distance, but off in the hills you can see quite a few houses, little villages and whatnot.
Passport, please. Oh,
Passport? Okay.
Yes. Are we about ready to cross over to Czech?
Yes, crossing the border between Germany and Czech Republic.
Are you going to stamp it?
I must give you a stamp.
Oh, that's cool. Okay.
25 US dollars, please.
There you go.
25.
Ja.
$25 pro Stempel.
Get a stamp.
Darfst du auch stempeln?
Thank you.
Oh, the brand new American passport.
Yes. Thank you.
Have a nice time. Goodbye.
You too. Thank you.
Nice.
All right, Chad. Close us out on that note.
We got a passport stamp for Czech. Nothing can go wrong now. We'll get more from Prague.